For my flipped classroom number 2, I chose to teach the lesson on exercising, or in other words, physical activity. And this is specifically for the elementary school grade, so K through 5, what exercising is. So a short definition of what exercising is that it's an activity of moving your muscles in various ways to stay healthy and fit. Some benefits of exercising are that you get to go outside into the open where there's fresh air. It helps strengthen your muscles and bones. It reduces your chances of getting sick or any sort of diseases. It also helps with your brain health, helps with your memory, and overall you live a longer life. Some examples of exercises you can do are you can play tag, kickball, soccer. You can also play handball, jump rope, go on the monkey bars, hula hoop, or any recess activities in general are examples of exercising as long as you're moving around. And here are some pictures of what it looks like. So here's a picture of them playing soccer, a picture of people playing kickball, and a picture of them jump roping. And lastly, some additional information on exercising is that it's actually good to have younger students exercise, as it gives them a chance to release all of the energy they have inside of them. And younger students actually prefer exercising, as it allows them to have a little break from being inside the classroom.